Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge, which means I'm not going to use my mirror and do my makeup. I'm also not going to look into the screen or anything, but I'm going to do it without looking into the mirror or anything. And I'm also going to set my timer to 10 minutes, which means I have to do the makeup in 10 minutes, which is quite unusual of me. I always take a lot of time to do my makeup, but this time I should see how that's gonna go, because this is my first time doing my makeup without mirror and in 10 minutes, which is going to be a fun challenge, I guess. So yep, let's do this. And if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Padmaja and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and it will mean a lot to me. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. I don't think I'll make it, because I think it takes at least 5 minutes to do the foundation itself. But I'm not quite sure if 10 minutes is the right time to do the makeup, but I'm still doing it anyway. So I'm setting my timer to 10 minutes and I'm going to start it. Okay, so okay, oh, it started. So I'm going to take my primer first. I'm going to put my phone in front of me so that I can see well. I'm going to take this foundation and the foundation brush, and I think it takes about 5 minutes to blend at least. I think setting a timer is a bad idea probably. I'm not even sure if I'm focused. I hope you guys can see it. I think 15 minutes will be better, but I think it won't be a challenge then. I don't know if my foundation is enough. I cannot see it. Next I'm gonna take concealer. Okay, this is so brand new. What the hell? It's a new one and it's not coming. Oh, okay. Don't mind me for the weird faces that I'm making. Did I apply too much? I think I'm gonna make my makeup very cakey. We're down to 7 minutes and I'm still in the base. I know it's gonna take so much time for the base itself. I don't know if I'm blending properly. Next I'm gonna take this Fit Me powder. I'm just going to brush it all on my face. Is this video going to fail? I don't know if I should upload this. Oh my god, 5 minutes are done. Next I'm gonna do this what is this called? What is this called? Oh my god. Oh, I don't know where I'm applying. I can't see my brows at all. Now I'm gonna take eyeliner. I think I'm gonna try eyeliner. This is so weird, guys. Next I'm gonna do mascara. I forgot eyeshadow. We're down to 3 minutes and I'm gonna do this metallic. No. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this pink shade, but there's not enough time to blend. I don't know what I'm doing, but okay, we're down to 2 minutes and 41 seconds. I'm gonna do my mascara next. I'm using this Maybelline mascara. I hope I don't poke my eye with it. I'm shit scared of mascara, and without seeing and applying mascara is kind of very hard. I'm gonna take this brush and this blush palette that I have. I'm gonna use some random shade. I'm gonna use this what is this? I'm gonna use this lipstick now. We're down to 58 seconds. What else? Where's my highlighter? I think we're done. 7, 6, 2, 1. We're done, guys. Now that we're done, let's see how that went. So I think I did a really pretty good job. I mean, it looks perfect except for the eyeliner. I think everything's kind of good, right? The eyeliner is kind of bad. Of course, eyeliner is really hard to do, but it's not that bad, guys. I mean, the pink eyeshadow is okay, not bad at all. And my blush and foundation. And look at that lipstick, it didn't go out at all. Like, it's perfect and right in the place. Eyebrows aren't that bad either. Like, I applied it wherever I wanted, but it's in the right place at least. Now, okay, my eyeliner has got here, like just a dot. It's kind of good. It's not that bad as I thought it would be. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications every time I upload a new video, and also share this video with your friends, guys, if you found it funny or like entertaining or anything like that. And I'll be back with another video next week, and until then, take care. Bye.